Welcome. In this episode, we will be doing part 1-46D, Injector Water Valve Spindle Nut. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-46D, Injector Water Valve Spindle Nut. So let's open up the file, or new file. Okay, let's go front plane. We want to do a hex. There we go, that's what we want. Perfect. Put that one there. That's going to be 16. Okay, 16. Cool. So that's extrude. That's going to be 17. Plane. Okay. That one's done. Beautiful. Let's put some brass on this. Where'd the brass go? There it is. That's bronze. Where's brass? There it is. Beautiful, beautiful. There we go. That's going to be one hole's going to be 12 mil. So let me sketch that. 12 mil. Nope, that one there. Select dimensions. That's going to be 12. That's going to go in 12. So it's going to be extrude 12 and done. And that's going to be thread. So let me do that thread now. Thread. So it's going to be M12. We've got M5. M12. Starting there. Finishing there. Done. Oh, through thread. There we go. Now, one way you can get rid of that, I just saw that. One way you can get rid of that is, so let me go to sketch on that one. We're going to do box over. We're going to go feature, extrude, but go the other way, and okay. There you go. Got rid of that thread out there. Made it look so much better. The only problem is I think just put a lip in there. Oops. Yeah, it did. Okay, just won't worry about that. That didn't work out how I thought it was going to do. Come on. Get out sketch. Thank you. Leave that one. So there's got to be some way you can do that. There's got to be some way where you can do that. Up to select, offset. That doesn't do it. Look at that for so. Anyway, let's go back to here. Let's see, sketch. That's going to be a hole as well. It's going to be, where are we? 8 mil. Small dimension, smart dimension, small. 8. That's going to be extrude. Up to next, and done. There we go. Screw it in, and that one is done. Before we do. 0.5. Let me do these here, just make it look a bit more neater. Bit more. Well, that looks very crisp. Let's do that, that, and done. There we go. Let's take away some of that stuff. And that part is done. Excellent. Okay. So that's part 1-46D, injector, water, valve, Spindle, nut done. So if you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. And I'll see you next episode. And don't forget comments. I'll see you then. Thank you. Thank you very much.